Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix search windows 11 not working white. To start, right-click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. After this, click on Run New Task. You are going to enter services.msc. Check the box. Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK. After this, select and double-click on the Windows Search Service. Here in the Startup Type field, select the Automatic option. Click on Apply. Now click on Start and Stop to restart the service. Finally, click Start to activate the service. Close the Services window. To complete this process, restart the operating system from the Shutdown button by choosing Restart. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you log in again, check that the search box is working without errors. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.